Happy New Year, everybody. This is New Year's Eve. I am right now, almost at night, I am going to go out and order some food from a nearby restaurant. It's called Bowling Crab. It's like a seafood restaurant. I'll order some food there. I'm gonna take it back. Previous New Year, I usually have some sort of like planned out so I can go out or anything. I think 2019 I went to New York City. 2020 nothing special because I broke my ankle back then. 2021 this year, COVID. So yeah, a lot of things not working that good. For what we work with what we got. So right now I'm gonna go out and take some order some food. I'm pretty sure there's gonna be a line because today it is New Year's Eve anyway. Gonna go out now, just enjoy my night as much as I can. Just got here and here it is. It doesn't seem like a lot of people is in line, so that's good. I think it's closed. I don't know. So apparently every single restaurant is closed because today is New Year's Eve. Pretty much. I just browsed through Postman and find this one restaurant wasn't closed, so we're gonna go there first. Well, I already ordered on my phone. Yep, so we're gonna go there now. This is such an adventure. Order for Lucas.
For what name?
Lucas.
Lucas?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Have a great day.
Thank you. So I just got it, now heading back. Wow, just such an adventure to getting here. Let's go. This is it. This is the glass door. Let's go. Oh my god, how was it? How's the sunglasses? I think it's alright actually. Not the first time I seen it, because obviously the day I come to make the glasses, that's the first time I seen it. But yeah, this is the first time I'm wearing prescription sunglasses. It's weird, but yeah, everything is fine. Yeah, I think it's cool. Now, rest after today, I guess it's just work day, doing DoorDash and stuff, deliveries. Yeah, and that's it. See you guys tomorrow. Wow, look at the sunset. This is way good. Like just driving all day because you can see the view like this. Where usually it's not that. Like I have to intend it to find a place to see a sunset, otherwise I'm not gonna see like similar view like this. Unboxing time! Oh my god, finally, I've been waiting for it. So there's one thing in this box I really need, the other two not so much. It is. Oops. This is a convenient travel tripod. I believe this, I did on the website, it also says it's carbon fiber, but it's just not as much carbon fiber as the Peak Design one. It's and also a little bit bigger than the Peak Design one, but it's $70. Like, what can you complain? And yeah, this is how it folded up. It's this big. The earlier shot, I just kind of set it up on this Bose speaker. I just kind of like tilted the camera with it a little bit. Now I'm gonna put it up here, and 3, 2, 1. Wow, it's quite a bit higher. DJI, which let me check it out right now. My MAVIC 2 Zoom. This is only work for MAVIC 2 Zoom because it's quite compact. Stick it in there. Oh wow, it fits pretty nicely. Does it look right? I'm probably gonna put this in the back majority of the time because I do also have to carry my camera, so yeah. Alright, pretty much concludes the unboxing today, and see you guys tomorrow. Currently, I'm at school right now. I'm having a photography class. It's kind of why I hold my camera with me. Look at these leaves. It's kind of cool. I want to go back to my classes and take a nap right now. Let's go, it's so cold right now. Whew. So right now I'm making a stupid decision. I'm currently living in Irvine, California. Then a moment ago, I just realized I never been to Long Beach at night, or any beach at night pretty much in US. So right now it's at 6 p.m. and I just turned on navigation to Long Beach, and yeah, it's 45 minutes. 37 miles drive, and I just took a couple of pictures and came back. I don't know, I'm just bored. I'm trying to find something to do, but I don't have my camera with me, so just gonna do it. God, I wish I brought my camera, but didn't for some reason. All right, let's go to Long Beach. Look at the water reflection, dude. I wish I bought my camera, but I didn't. This is, oh my gosh. You know, next time I come here, I'm gonna bring my camera for sure, dude. Oh my god, look at the reflection. Wow, dude. That was awesome. Alright guys, now I am leaving Long Beach right now. I swear to God, next time I'm coming, I definitely will buy my camera, especially at night, because wow, the autopilot goes a little crazy here. But yeah, it is impressive, I swear. I didn't pay for the parking, so like, because I know I'm only gonna stay here for like 5 minutes, and after not even 5 minutes I go back, there's already like security looking around of all the cars not paying. For me, because I park at the end of the street, so like it takes time for them to kind of like go over one by one. So when I got there, they saw me walking towards my car, and they just didn't stop. They just keep going because they know I'm leaving. But yeah, if I not, I probably will get like a ticket, or like even get my car towed, which is totally messed up because right now it's 7 p.m. I am at a city pretty far away from where I'm leaving, and if my car get towed, they're just gone. Okay, yeah, I am going back right now, and I'll be back soon with my camera. Wow, 580S McLaren, that's so cool. You see, even though if you have an electric car, you still have to come to gas station, because I can only get a car wash here, the drive-through one. So yeah, it doesn't. I still have to come to gas station. Whenever I come to gas station, everybody's just staring at me weird, because they think like I don't know this is an electric car. I'm here to pump gas or something. This is quite cool actually. I actually like car wash every time. The big one's coming. Just want to document this. Packing up more weight. This is a weight gainer, around 800 calories, and today I eat, I don't know, I eat a lot. I eat a lot at my dinner. I drink one of those like super sticky lobster soup and a bunch of rice and a bunch of meat. So I think pretty much today I had to go hard. I need to just continue. That's why I kind of want to document this, just this. Alright, see you guys tomorrow.